Your sink is not judging you, but it may be trapping you.
And the strangest fix might be putting dirty dishes in the dish rack. It sounds backward, so keep that question open. Why would moving the mess before washing it make the whole task easier?
Dirty plates in the dish rack? I'm already suspicious.
Good. That suspicion points to the bigger shift. Cleaning is not a character test. A full sink can start to feel like a courtroom. When the real issue is function, the room has stopped helping you live in it.
I don't know. Sometimes a mess really does feel like proof I'm failing.
I get that, and I'd push back a little. Treating the mess as proof usually leaves only one plan, which is try harder. A better plan is asking, what would make this room usable again? Like fixing a blocked doorway instead of blaming yourself for not walking through it.
So less self-trial, more room repair.
Yes, when a room is stuck, your brain often sees one giant blob. Where do I even start? The 5-category method cuts that blob into plain buckets: trash, dishes, laundry, things with a home, and things without a home.
5 buckets is refreshingly blunt.
That bluntness is doing work. Each category gives your brain a finish line, like putting lane ropes in a pool so you stop fighting the whole ocean. First move, grab the biggest trash bag you can find and only hunt trash.
Only trash. Ignore the cups, the hoodie, the charger.
Exactly, well, not everything, just everything outside that category. If you switch targets every few seconds, the room stays a blur.
But if I pick up a mug, shouldn't I take it straight to the kitchen?
That's where cleaning quietly becomes a side quest. You carry the mug out, notice something else, remember another task, and the first room gets abandoned like a half-saved file.
Oof. The mug becomes a portal.
So the rule is, collect first, relocate later. Let the trash bag stay in the room for now, put dishes in the sink, or carry a sturdy laundry basket around and load the cups and plates into it. The goal is fewer transitions before your momentum disappears.
So, I'm not cleaning the whole home. I'm getting one room back online.
That's the heart of it. You are not here to serve your space. Your space is here to serve you. Cleaning is recovering function, like clearing a jammed printer instead of deciding the printer has moral defects.
That makes the sink feel less personal.
And that brings us back to the dirty dish rack. The pressure is not only that the dishes are dirty, it's that they block the sink, hide under gross water, and look endless.
Okay, pay off the weird idea.
Move the dirty dishes out of the sink before you wash them. Put dirty plates in the dish rack dirty, yes, so the sink stays usable all day. Later, you face a neat row of plates instead of a swamp.
I still mildly object. The dish rack feels like clean dish territory.
Fair objection. But if the rack is what keeps the sink usable, then it is serving the room's function better in that moment. The task changes from face the whole horrible sink to load this rack into the dishwasher,
That is a much smaller door to walk through.
because the mess has a better shape. A pile says infinite problem. A row says next step. Same dishes, less friction.
So the cleaning trick is not shaming myself harder.
It's designing the task so future you can start. Trash, dishes, laundry, things with a home, things without a home. Collect first, relocate later, and if the sink is the trap, let the dirty dish rack keep it usable.
Care task for future me, not punishment for having lived here.
That's the button. Don't make the room a judge, make it work for you. Next time, the tiny home systems that stop clutter before it becomes a blob.